You are not going to believe this, guys. You're going to like this car wash. That's right, an original Mark VII. This is really an antique right here. And look at that, a Vortex dryer. It's at Circle K on America's Boulevard here in El Paso. So it's an original antique Mark VII car wash. Usually these are really hard to find out because in El Paso all these have been replaced. But this is just a beauty. I mean, look at that. Has an original Vortex. We're gonna actually go inside this car wash. Now let's go around it. Well, we're gonna look at the front of it when we go inside it anyway. But what a beauty! Look at that. See. Okay, well, we're gonna go in the front of it when we go through the car wash, and you're gonna like this one. This is one of the best ones in El Paso, probably. There's the outside view, and that's about it. There we go. We're now going now. You guys go to the from there. There's little arrows. This is gonna be cool. I've never been to an original Mark VII like this one before. Oh, here's the thing.
I'll take my photo.
I'm not gonna. I'm taking. That's the machine. Alright. See, there's the front of it right there.
Enter, yes.
Let's say enter.
Does it say enter?
Yeah, wait. I think it's saying wait. Drive ahead slowly. Yes. Put your window up. It's gonna go high pressure now. Keep. Oh, it says top.
To open the window?
No.
Come on. You can do it.
No. Look at that.
You can do it.
No. I'll put the true music off. So. Into it. Arms are right there.
That's cool.
I know.
I've never been to one like this.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
They don't have. They took most of these out in El Paso. This is actually an old system.
Really?
Yes.
I like that. Looks like a little top.
I know.
means well. I don't know why they took it off from the Paso.
No, they used to have a bunch of these in El Paso. It's actually an old one.
This is kind of odd. Why did they take it out?
I'm not real sure.
Does it drive forward?
Yeah, it says drive forward. This is a Vortex dryer. They go slowly through these.
How many minutes did we have?
70 seconds, 69. You got a minute left now. Now it's one out.
How many left?
About 30 seconds, 35 seconds. Wow, look at that. About 19 to 18 seconds.
There's the time.
It's over. It's at 0 right there. It now went back up.
Cool. You like it?
Yeah, that was awesome. That was like an antique Mark VII right there. It's pretty old.
It's a good system. I think it's a good system.
Yeah, it is. Those were really good actually.